Around a month ago, I rebuilt my AI web app from scratch in just a single week. The app I built is called CreatoWise.com, and it's basically a set of AI tools for content creators and startups to grow their YouTube audience. And today in this video, I'm going to dive into the world of sales to try to market the app for some useful feedback. And also, while we're at it, let's try to make some
Cha-ching!
Trust me, I honestly poured a lot of blood, sweat and tears into this whole process, and spoiler alert, it kinda worked and failed at the same time. During this challenge, I actually sent a lot of cold emails to my target audience and placed a bunch of Google and YouTube ads. Let's just dive right into the video. Cold emailing is a really good way to acquire more users, only if it's done right. Setting up a business email via G Suite or some other provider is pretty cheap and easy to do. There's actually a lot to learn about cold emailing, like prospecting, lead generation, and honestly, a lot more. For now, I'll just leave a few helpful links in the description for you to check out after the video. My process for cold emailing basically involves 4 steps. Number 1 is generating leads and information about my potential users. Number 2 is actually reaching out to the potential users via email or other messaging platforms. Number 3 is giving them a quick demo of CreatoWise on a video call. And number 4 is offering them access to a 3-week trial of CreatoWise. My target audience is basically a bunch of startups and SaaS companies which make video content on YouTube. For generating leads, I mainly use YouTube and LinkedIn to find the channel manager's email and reach out to him or her. After getting the leads, I now have to actually reach out to them, right? Each email or message I sent to my target audience was super personalized just for them. I also used GPT-3 to personalize my emails, which I think is pretty cool, right? Despite sending around 15 personalized emails, I received responses from 5 of them saying that they're interested in a demo, which is pretty good. After the emails, it is now the demo time. To show a quick demo of CreatoWise to the people who replied, I usually scheduled a 15-minute video call. My biggest problem is that I'm trying to sell products to a 30-year-old man when I'm literally 15. Due to the fact that I still go to school every day and reach home by 4 p.m., I usually send them the Calendly link which shows the time only after 4 p.m. One time, I accidentally missed a demo video call because I got home late. But later, it worked out fine as I anyway convinced them to get the trial. Till now, I gave access to around 3 accounts for the 3-week trial. Additionally, I also set up Mixpanel and was honestly shocked to discover that they use CreatoWise almost daily. I'll update you guys about how this trial thing went in the next video. I think the biggest takeaway from this was that I realized that warm leads are 10 times more effective than getting cold leads. Reach out to the people you already know first. Based on the user's feedback and needs, I modified the title maker and now you can enter your video idea and then our AI will generate optimized titles based on your topic and audience. This tool works surprisingly really well. I also built the description and a script outline generator which works super well and are being used by the creators almost daily. I also wanted to try out YouTube video ads. So I reached out to my friend Suchit and we both spent around 2 to 3 days scripting, voiceovering and editing the video ad. Is voiceovering an actual word? I actually paid an artist on Fiverr for the voiceover and we added that to the video. So we tried to make the video kinda generic, so please apologize us if the video is too cringe. I created the YouTube ad campaign and eventually ran it for 7 days. Do you know what happened? It horribly failed. I literally got 3 clicks on my website by running that ad, which is totally terrible. I realized that YouTube ads are a good way to build brand awareness, but not so great at getting direct clicks on your website. You know, being a dumb child, I didn't learn anything from the failure of the YouTube ad campaign. So you know what I did? I ran more dumb ads. I placed Google search ads and the campaign now kinda worked. Google search ads are basically the ads you get when you search for stuff on Google. I spent around $30 and it got around 2 paying users who are paying $29 per month. This marketing challenge was originally intended for only 7 days. But I realized that sales and growth take a lot of time. I hope you guys learned something by watching this video because I honestly learned a lot about sales. And now you can watch this epic video on how I rebuilt CreatoWise in just 7 days. Bye.